Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, C for Coder. Today, we are going to see 5 basic Python programs for beginners. Number 1. Finding factorial of a number. Factorial is the product of an integer and all the integers below it, as shown here. Type this script in your Python editor, then run it. Output of this program would give you the factorial. The link to download the source files are given in the description. Number 2. Printing the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci series is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers, as shown here. This is the Python script to print the Fibonacci sequence. Number 3. Simple calculator. This program will compute the 4 basic arithmetic operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, based on the user's choice. Number 4. Check whether a string is palindrome. Palindrome strings are the strings that reads the same backwards as forwards, such as the strings shown here. This is the Python program to check whether a string is palindrome or not. Number 5. Find LCM of two numbers. Least common multiple, LCM, of two numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of both. This is the Python program to find the LCM of two numbers. Hope this video was useful. If you liked this video, please like, share and comment. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel, C for Coder.